we are at IMTEX at Millenia Technologies, and Millenia Technologies is representing Hauzer, and we are having Louis from Hauzer from Netherlands, as well as we are having Amit Kumar from Millenia. So, what Hauzer is offering the solutions for at IMTEX?
At the IMTEX we are offering machines to put on tools to get better lifetime for these machines, or when you use the tools at a higher speed, then that will solve the problem the tools have.
So basically, you are providing solutions for tools, right?
Exactly.
So what are the technology and how it helps the manufacturer?
The technology is called physical vapor deposition, that is PVD. So it helps the tool manufacturer to have a longer lifetime with his tooling. So better performance, longer time that you before you switch to the machine, and if you can prevent the tooling from how you call it, fretting. It's called fretting on the materials which it's cutting. So that means that the tool doesn't stick to the material and will break.
How was your total response from this exhibition?
Total response was what, and you have to ask Amit as well. I think it was very good. We met a lot of people the last 3 days. So 3 days to go. So I'm very happy to see here in India that much people, especially after the COVID that nobody could see each other.
So Amit, how was the response you got here especially for the Hauzer solutions in IMTEX?
Yeah, it's a good response. What I see in the IMTEX, basically forming is not an exhibition which we were participating before, but this year after a long time, and it was like cancelled in January. So we thought, why not this investment, whatever we have did in January, we can utilize in June, because we never know when again the COVID will have a wave and we cannot be able to do next year. So we take that prospect and we came for forming, and the response is really good. Means what we have not expected. Of course, IMTEX Tooltech is very big, but still, what I see that forming is also exhibition which is given us a very good opportunity with our lead and opportunity which we are getting now.
So Hauzer is in India for how many years, and what is your market share?
Basically, a Millenia company started in 2009, okay, and we are working with a few European brands. We can say for polishing, for cleaning, for we can say a measurement unit. Coating is Hauzer. We have started last year basically, but Hauzer is since so many years in India. They have sold many machines, but in last year they have decided to come with us as a Millenia to give the distributor, you can say the distributorship here, and we started from last year, and this was the first show I can say we are participating along with Hauzer, and I think the response is really good. So we are very confident, and of course India is a growing market, so PVD is definitely requirement, and Hauzer is a pioneer in this process. So somewhere I see that this is a big opportunity for Hauzer also and for us also to grab this, we can say the market.
Amit, thank you very much for your time and explaining about the business, about Millenia, as well as how Hauzer is going to support the manufacturing industries. And congratulations to both of you for this partnership. And we wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for your time.